So I have a whole mess of hummus that I need to eat, but I'm tired of eating it with broccoli. So I'm about to make myself some sourdough variation of pita bread. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup. I'm just going to get my discard in here. And discard is just the sourdough that I removed while doing my feeds, and I keep it and use it for other recipes. So that's why I call it discard, because it's discarded sourdough that I use for other stuff. So this is about a 1/2 cup. I'm going to put it in my bowl here. And then I'm going to get a 1/2 cup of warm water. Alright, I just mix this up real well as I can. This is very similar to bread recipes that I do, or my sourdough feed recipes with my active starter. But what I'm going to do is, instead of doing rises and all of that, I'm just going to pop it in a skillet after I get it all mixed up. Then I'm just going to add in some flour. So I'm going to start in with 1/2 cup and see how I feel. Sometimes my discard is thicker or thinner, so this recipe isn't exactly, the same every time. Now you can take this discard, pop it right in the skillet just like that. You don't have to be mixing it with flour and water. But I've seen people say that some starters are more flavorful than others. And I'm not going to claim that mine is like real stout when it comes to that sourdough flavor, but if I just pop this in the skillet, it's almost a little too much. So I like to water it down with a little bit of water and flour, just because the sourdough flavor just isn't quite as intense. Here's the consistency I like. I do like to try to let this get a good brown on it, so I'm going to try to leave it alone. Alright, this made about 3, so not a whole lot. These aren't pretty, but they don't have to be. They taste good, they're quick to do, and now I have pita bread to eat with my hummus. You can add some things to these. You can add like garlic, salts, and you can add some sugars and things like that in it. It's really kind of what you want. But the base of this and all I put in it today was flour, water, and sourdough discard. So pita bread, kind of